Okay, let's take a look at how you currently have it set up. You have it set up where they can order delivery. And let's see what the pop-up message says here. I'm gonna go ahead and refresh the page. And it says that lunch has to be is available between the work hours of 12 and 2 p.m. So the customer has to pick it up between these 2 hours, or it will be delivered between these 2 hours, 12 and 2 p.m. And they have to order before 11 a.m. to get it between these 2 hours. So currently the current flow works like this. Let me take a look and go through the process. So I'm going to order a product here, and I'm going to order it, and I put my name, phone number, email. When I click on it, I get to choose a time. But so as you can see here, I'm able to choose past 11 a.m. and after 2 p.m. So we have to find a solution for that, a workaround to make it work so that it respects these rules right here. What are the rules? These are the rules. The rules are they can't order after 11 a.m. But right now, if they order before 11 a.m., it allows them to. So the first thing you want to do is go here and disable schedule orders. Okay? So this is the first step to fixing the problem. To make it easier, the second solution I recommend is going to custom hours. And then we have custom orders for order types. And then I'm going to edit it. These are the hours that the customers can order between 6 and 11 a.m. Why? Because they want to have enough time to deliver it by 12 and 2 p.m. Okay, so this looks good. This will apply that. Now let's go to the order types, and then let it load. Once it loads, press edit, and you can see that it applies this custom hours. Ordering hours, it's not the default business hours, but it's the custom hours. So instead of saying not available yet, I would recommend saying must order before 11 a.m. So this message appears only if they ordered after 11 a.m. Okay, so I'm going to press save, and then do the same thing for this one. Oh, actually, I already did that one. This one, it's because you have two of them. Must order before 11 a.m. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead quickly look at it before it's 11 a.m. because it's almost 11 a.m. here. So right now it's, I think it's, okay, right now, okay, so this is what it currently looks like, lunch. So right now I can order because it's before 11 a.m. But once it passes 11 a.m., they'll get a different message, okay? So so now they have 1, 2, 3. Let me show you what the third one looks like. The third one is pickup, and this one respects the Clover business hours. So how do we know what the Clover business hours are? Those hours are here under store settings. Put your mouse right here, and those are the business hours that the pickup respects or follows. And you can change your business hours by going to clover.com and then press business information. And that is for the third order type, okay? So again, we have, how many order types do we have? We have 1, 2, 3. These two apply for this one. This one applies to the default Clover business hours, okay? So let's go ahead and take a look at the workaround we did. I'm going to refresh the page. Okay, so it's not quite 11 a.m. yet, but once it gets there, what will happen here is it will say must order before 11 a.m. Must order before 11 a.m. This one won't say that message because it's within those Clover business hours, okay? So again, this is the recommended way to do it, is the way I have it set up for you. But check back, because we're always improving these custom hour features. So perhaps in the near future, we'll have ability that even if you have custom hours, you can still use scheduled orders for it. But as of right now, if you have custom hours for a different order type or more than one order type, then it's better to turn off scheduled orders. Or the other option is to make into a subdomain on a different page to keep it separate from your business hours, like what you're doing here. Okay, so that's the best way to do it, and I'm trying to wait for it to become 11 a.m., but there's still some minutes left. But as of right now, that's how you should do it, okay? All right, thank you for your time. Have a good day.